give it the right checks and balances will be good for the country.
When that was voted on 1987 yata.
87 Constitution.
David happens to be my doormate dito sa UP noon. He told me that there was one vote difference between parliamentary and yung our system of government ngayon. Because of Salonga. Si Salonga ang bumoto sa against parliamentary. Salonga is a friend of mine.
He's also my mentor in politics, unfortunately. Si Attorney siya.
Attorney Dave Aguilar.
I have to be frank, Speaker. I have not heard any good thing about what the Philippines has done. What you always mention all the things that they did wrong. I want to hear one or two that we have done in the Philippines. Wala ba? Kung wala, kasalanan ng Panginoon. Kasalanan ng Panginoon. The Lord is sovereign. He created us. So He takes care of us. If He doesn't want to be good, good. But please, tell me one or two or three good things. That I know, that you know. Panay masama. Yan ang hindi maganda sa Pilipino. They criticize, they do not even know how to appreciate. When we start appreciating, the more that the leaders will be inspired.
Okay, let's go hit the good side of the Philippines.